Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application. Then you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Then you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to click on settings. So once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and click on navigation bar and click on customize the bar, and here you can see in hidden shortcuts marketplace. You simply need to click here and you simply need to click on pin. So here you can see that key pin in your navigation bar. So here you can see that marketplace is now pinned. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.